AI is revolutionizing the public sector. Cyber threats are evolving just as fast. What connects both? Your data. This is why AI readiness and cybersecurity are no longer separate missions. They're two sides of the same strategy.
Everybody knows right now AI is at our doorstep. I keep seeing a lot of articles suggesting that this is the year of the AI agent, and I think that fundamentally the issue with current data infrastructure at most organizations is that data is very siloed.
Every AI system and every secure infrastructure starts with data, but most agencies don't know what they have, where it lives, or how it connects. Siloed systems and fragmented environments are more than inefficient, they're dangerous.
Each one of these clouds basically has their own security policies, risk models, access controls. This really kind of creates a visibility gap and operational efficiencies in the mix. So the NDA recognizes that a fragmented cloud security approach is a national security risk at this point.
Whether you're building an AI model or hardening a security perimeter, it all starts with visibility. Discovery is step one. Before any smart decisions or defenses, you need to see the full landscape.
And the whole motivation for doing that short-term discovery phase is to find out what all data sources an organization has and how they may leverage them in the future.
Being able to analyze all different types of data that's being stored across all different file types and location types within an organization, that offering from us is going to be a really critical first step for organizations as they begin to piece together their own AI applications, because if there is data that's unaccounted for, it is inherently vulnerable.
AI isn't just a solution, it's a new attack surface. Adversarial actors are targeting models with deepfakes, data poisoning, and phishing powered by AI. That's why secure AI must be designed from the ground up.
Security and compliance are always foremost, especially when you're talking about AI. Using publicly available tools is probably not something that a lot of agencies or departments are going to be able to benefit from in our space. In the commercial space, absolutely, and they're doing it today. But you have to be careful, obviously, as to what data you feed to any of these AI models.
So, the use of the adversarial AI and kind of cyber warfare is growing pretty rapidly. Attackers are leaving, AI-powered phishing, data poisoning attacks, deepfake-driven misinformation campaigns to really target our DoD systems.
Most AI projects fail by trying to do too much too fast. Proof of concept approaches, small, tailored, and secure, help agencies validate value without risking chaos.
This AI assessment really gives agencies, again, a feel for where they are today, an idea for the level of effort required to get them to where they need to be, and along with that, you get a functional proof of concept so that the agency can really see a real-world application for AI in their environment. It gives them a use case that they can later expand on, they can use it as a justification for other efforts, but it gives you a tangible value and benefit out of the assessment process.
From a visibility, governance, and compliance standpoint, having a unified viewpoint of all of the data running across your different clouds, this is definitely an achievable tool. And if you're leveraging the right partnerships, this is something that can be accomplished in a relatively short time frame. And then once you have that firm visibility kind of taken into account, then you can start to begin to prioritize where we want to go from there.
Security, strategy, scalability all start with data discipline. Whether your agency is exploring AI or strengthening cybersecurity, it begins with discovery. Get your blueprint, get your proof, get ready.